Okay, here's one of the techniques that you can use for repairing the damage of a damaging experience. I call it the verbal technique because you talk about it. Now you can share this experience, the original experience, with a friend or someone you know, someone you trust with your personal life, and you tell them the original experience, the original damaging experience, and then you do the part where you repair the damage by changing the experience, the ingredients, the component parts of the experience, and the outcome. Now, you can do this two ways. You can just share the experience in the part where you're repairing the damage and you don't have to actually talk about the original experience to your friend, or you can do both. It all depends on what feels more comfortable and what will focus you. Now, that's one of the verbal approaches to it. Now, another approach is a sharing monologue. I call it a sharing monologue. And what you do is you share this experience to an empty room. It's a sharing monologue. Or to yourself. Or you're walking out, you're taking your daily walk, and you just talk about the experience with changing the ingredients and the outcome of the experience repetitiously, maybe 10 times, 15, 20, 30 times, as often as you do it. And each time you do it, you'll add other positive elements to it, which will solidify the difference between the original experience and your repairing process, your reparative process. So that's the verbal approach. And you can invent varieties of that. You can do it to a group of people, like if you're in a class, and they don't have to really know the original experience. You just get up on stage if you're in a class. It could be an acting class, it could be a therapy group, it could be anything. And you actually talk about the experience in a very positive way while you're repairing it. Somehow when you do it as a group and people are involved, that could have an interesting impact and it could be helpful. So try it every possible way that you can. And it's the verbal approach. And there are other approaches which I will get to. Well, thank you for watching. Now, if you've enjoyed these videos, tell a friend. And for more information about videos, my books, my classes, go to my website, www.ericmorris.com. And until next time, this is Eric Morris saying, no acting, please.